Quest Wellness. And I have another summer salad. We just got kohlrabi from a farm. Something I would never buy, but I used to eat it in Poland. We used to grow this because it's like a broccoli, cabbage family, I guess. So we have a little device here, a shredding, so you can shred. I'm going to do some carrot, some kohlrabi. I cut it in half. I already shred half. But if you don't have this, please make sure you can slice it thinly, right? And do kind of thin sticks, which will be very similar and will be also as delicious. Okay, so I have all that here. I'm going to slice some onion. So onion, kohlrabi, one carrot, few slices of onion. You don't need a lot, and you can make them a little bit. Okay. This device is great because it comes with different components. Remember, this is cooking, everyday cooking at home. Casual cooking. I'm showing. So gray sea salt, a little bit of pinch to your liking. It's better for you to put lesser salt because then you can add more. But if you put too much, you cannot take it out. A couple pinches of black pepper, a little bit of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and I like half of lime. Lime has a little bit of salty taste. It's very nice. If you don't have the squeezing device, use a spoon. People use the hand. This is authentic cooking. This is everyday cooking. This is not show. Let's have a food critics in here, right? And some olive oil to your liking. Again, everybody's saying 2 parts of this and 2 parts of that, and you just gotta see what you like. Some people like more vinegar than oil. Some people like more oil than vinegar. So you can never. And there we go. And I put a little bit of green onion in it, and you have a great little salad. Very easy to make. If you don't have the device, please slice it very thinly and make a little sticks, and enjoy.